Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper, and friend, today we are going to learn how to convert your Microsoft Word to Google Docs. So friend, in this tutorial I will show you step by step so you will learn something new. Let's see on the computer how we can convert Microsoft Word to Google Docs. So friend, in this case you first of all open your browser. So friend, you can see this is my Google Chrome, and here we are going to open Google Drive first. So friend, here you can see this Google Apps icon. Simply click on that and here you open Google Drive. So friend, now you can see this is my Google Drive, and here I'm going to upload. So friend, you can see this is my Google Drive, and here I'm going to upload Microsoft Word, and that Word file will convert into Google Docs. So friend, here we are going to click on this new button, and here you will get the second option, file upload. So friend, this is the open tab. So here you can easily select file which you want to upload over here. We are going to select this Microsoft Word file and click on this open button. So that file will automatically upload into Google Drive, and then we will convert that file as a Google Doc, right? So here you can see my new doc is uploaded. Here we are going to click on that. So simply this file will open in new tab with Google Docs. So friend, right now you can see this file is showing Microsoft extension, that is Microsoft Word format. Here we want to save this file as a Google Doc. So what we will do, simply click on this file tab, and here you will get this option, save as a Google Docs. You simply click here. So what happened, this file will automatically convert into Google Docs. So friend, this is the first method. You can easily convert your Word file to Google Docs, right? Now I'm going to show you the second method, which is very easy method. You can do that. We are going to simply close all the things, and right now we are going to simply reload this page and remove that file. So friend, you will get the perfect idea about it. So we are going to remove it, and now we are going to see. So friend, in this case we are going to close this Google Drive. Now we are follow the second method. So click on this Google Apps icon and simply open your Google Docs. So friend, now you can see this is my Google Docs dashboard. You simply click on this blank document, and now we are going to open that Word file into Google Docs. So what we will do, simply click on this file and then click on this open button. So friend, here you can see many options are available to upload your Word document into Google Docs. So here friend, we are going to simply, here you can see if that file will appearable into your Google Drive, then you can simply select that file, and that file you can easily open it and convert it. But right now we are going to upload that file from our local computer. So click on this upload button. So here you can simply select that file and drag it, so that will upload, or you can simply click on this select a file from your device and select here and then upload it. So friend, whenever you upload that file will automatically convert into Google Docs. So friend, now you can see my Word document is converted into Google Docs. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can import and convert your Word document to Google Docs. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If you learned something new, then click on like button, share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.